Aloha, brothers and sisters. Michael and I are still here in Maui on our honeymoon, and I thought we'd take another walk and see if we can see some turtles this morning. I know I love to check on them every morning. They're just too groovy. Too cool. This really is a beautiful place. Slow, deep breath. Lots of breathing. All this wonderful, fresh, tropical air. I don't think the air gets any cleaner than this. Surely it doesn't. It's just so beautiful here. And it's not very far down this trail where we see the turtles. You know, when you allow yourself to feel joy and love in your heart, you're actually releasing dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, love chemicals, an actual whole pharmacy that your body releases. It helps your cells to heal. And if you're battling illnesses, this is really important. Like I say, you don't have to have a gorgeous environment like this. It's what you're feeling inside and allowing yourself to either enjoy or not. Might as well enjoy, right? Because it actually makes you healthier so that your body can release the correct chemicals to heal your cells. Reduce inflammation. And who doesn't want to feel better? And it's just amazing to know that you have that much power and that your emotions actually regulate all that chemistry that's going on in your body. Look, guys. Are there any turtles this morning, Michael?
No, not this morning.
Not this morning? Oh no. I'll just have to show you some footage later. They're here all the time. They'll be back. Well, we might as well walk on down to the water. What do you say? See if I can do it without tripping and holding the camera too. Could be a tall order. Wow. Too cool, huh? Let's see if I can adjust this a little bit so I can hold it a little better. There we go. Let's see. Oh, there's Michael out there. Can you see those great big roller waves coming in? Way too cool. Way too cool. Let's go on down. Right down to the water. It's so warm and balmy, you guys. It's not like the water in Washington State where I'm from, where it's really cold and hard to get your feet in. It actually makes your feet ache. It's so cold. The water here in Maui, you guys, is almost like bath water. I'm not sure how warm it is, but you can play and stay in it all day and never get cold. Here it goes. You guys, when you think about everything that Mother Nature has given us, you know, not only the beauty of Mother Earth and all this gorgeous environment that we have, but also our wonderful ability, all these abilities we have that I think sometimes we're not taught that we can use to heal ourselves. You know, we do have innate knowledge. For example, I think I may have talked about this before, but, you know, mommies know to kiss their babies' boo-boos. And it's because the feeling of love between the mother and child, same thing, it releases those wonderful healing chemicals that then allows the body to heal. And so when you're loving and nurturing to yourself, right, we don't have our mommies every day to kiss our boo-boos, right? So if you're loving and nurturing to yourself, it does the same thing. And if you're having relationship issues, same thing. The more you're loving and nurturing to those around you, it truly does come back onto your own health. If you're surrounding yourself with people who aren't very loving, or, you know, maybe even being mistreating you, or being not so pleasant, making you vibe incoherently, well, maybe you have some decisions to make. I'm not telling you to go breaking up any relationships, but, you know, sometimes those decisions can be just as easy as, I'm not gonna go there today. Mentally. Today I'm gonna allow myself to enjoy just today, just right now. I'm not going to let other people, other situations, and other things ruin my bliss. Because ultimately it ruins my health. Or it can certainly make it start to go downhill again, and I don't want that. I've come way too far. You guys have come way too far, haven't you? The fact that you're here and that you're watching this means that you're taking control over your own life, and that you realize you have a little responsibility in this game, and that you really do have some control. It's kind of scary, isn't it, when the doctor tells you that, nah, there's not much hope, you know, there's no cure for this, and you gotta now have all this medication and all these treatments. That's really scary. Because you're giving up all your control to the medical people that even they admit that they don't have all the answers, especially for autoimmune situations like what I was dealing with. My labs are all good now, so that I say was. But that's only because I started paying attention to what I was thinking about. I observe my thoughts now. Are they sunny-go-lucky happy every single second of the day? Of course not. I'm a human being. So I have my frustrations and downtimes just like everyone else. The difference is now that I understand that I have to limit the amount of time that I allow myself to feel upset or frustrated. This much time, people. And allow this much time of happiness. Just plain old gratefulness. That's the most powerful thing you can do to release healing chemicals into your body, is to just get real grateful for life itself, for the fact that you're here, that you're alive, and you know what? You are loved. You are loved. And that's groovy. Aloha. Until next time. Same bat channel, same bat cave. That's super groovy. Aloha.